in line. I prayed for you before I called you mine. Oh, I can't believe it's true sometimes. Oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you. I get to love you.
For this celebration of marriage. So I'm now going to ask you both to exchange your vows in the presence of your families and friends gathered here, but also your two witnesses.
I, Paul David Tanner,
Take you, Katie Lawson,
take you, Katie Lawson,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife.
I, Katie Lawson,
Take you, Paul David Tanner,
take you, Paul David Tanner,
to be my wedded husband.
to be my wedded husband.
In line, I prayed for you before I called you mine. Oh, I can't believe it's true sometimes. Oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best thing that I.
Watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar.
Promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you. I get to love you. The way you love, it changes who I
Finally, I would like to thank my husband, Paul.
Now we'll raise a toast to my new wife, Katie Tanner. Katie Tanner!